In today's video, we will explore and try to find an answer regarding the impact on space and satellite system engineering jobs in the era of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's start with the scope and functions of space and satellite system engineering. Space and satellite systems engineering is a complex and interdisciplinary field that requires a wide range of skills, including knowledge of physics, mathematics, computer science, electrical engineering, material science, and more. Engineers in this field are responsible for designing, developing, testing and operating spacecraft and satellite systems, which are used for a variety of purposes such as communication, navigation, remote sensing, scientific research, and national security. Space and satellite system engineers are responsible for designing, developing, and testing spacecraft and satellite systems. This includes tasks such as designing communication and control systems, developing propulsion systems, and ensuring that the spacecraft or satellite can survive the harsh conditions of space. These tasks require deep understanding of physics, mathematics, and engineering principles, as well as extensive experience working with complex systems. While it is true that AI and machine learning have made significant progress in recent years, particularly in the areas of computer vision, natural language processing and robotics, there are several reasons why it is unlikely that they will replace human engineers in the space and satellite systems industry anytime soon. First, the design and development of space and satellite systems is a highly complex and challenging task that requires a deep understanding of physical principles and engineering concepts. While AI can be used to optimize certain aspects of the design process, such as reducing the weight of components or increasing the efficiency of propulsion systems, it cannot replace the creativity, ingenuity, and problem-solving skills that are required to develop novel and innovative solutions to complex problems. Second, the space environment is extremely harsh and unpredictable, and requires a high degree of resilience and adaptability from spacecraft and satellite systems. Engineers in this field must account for a wide range of factors, such as extreme temperatures, high levels of radiation, micrometeoroid impacts, and the effects of the space environment on materials and electronics. While AI can be used to monitor and analyze data from sensors and instruments, it cannot replace the real-world experience and judgment that is necessary to make critical decisions in the face of unexpected events or anomalies. Third, space and satellite systems are often developed and operated for strategic and national security purposes, which require a high level of trust, accountability, and responsibility. Human engineers are held to strict ethical and professional standards and are responsible for ensuring the safety and security of the systems they design and operate. While AI can be used to automate certain tasks and improve efficiency, it cannot replace the human judgment and ethical considerations that are necessary to ensure the proper use and protection of sensitive information and technology. While AI has made great strides in recent years and can be used to automate certain tasks within the field, there are still many aspects of the job that require human expertise and decision-making. While AI can be used to automate certain aspects of the job, such as analyzing data from sensors or predicting system behavior, it cannot replace the human expertise and decision-making that is required to design and develop these systems. Additionally, there are always new challenges and unknowns that arise when working in space, and it takes a skilled engineer to adapt to these challenges and find solutions. In summary, while AI can assist space and satellite system engineers in their work, it is unlikely that it will completely replace them in the near future. Human expertise and decision-making are still essential to the field, and there will always be new challenges that require human touch. In conclusion, while AI and machine learning have made significant progress in recent years, it is highly unlikely that they will replace human engineers in the space and satellite systems industry anytime soon. Human expertise, creativity and problem-solving skills are essential to the design, development, testing and operation of spacecraft and satellite systems, particularly in the face of the unpredictable and challenging environment of space. As a last resort, it is highly unlikely that space and satellite system engineer jobs will be completely replaced by AI in the near future.